Science, technology, invention. Okay, so ano ang sagot? That is science. Okay, body of knowledge, science. Okay, next question tayo. Career is a career, is a carrier of a career. Is a carrier of cystic fibrosis, an autosomal recessive disorder. This means that she blank. Okay, so that is has one a defective gene only. Okay, ayan, sige. Recessive kasi, recessive. Okay, so ang difference ng recessive at saka dominant genes, yun po yung ano, every generation makikita siya. Pero yung recessive traits naman or recessive genes, paminsan-minsan lang. Ayan. Okay. Next tayo. Okay, so that is okay, that is letter A. Okay, next tayo. That is letter A. Okay, optical focus. Next. Oh, ito yung sinasabi ko rin kanina, 'di ba? May in vivo, may in vitro. Ayan, so that is test tube ha, test tube inside the test tube, that is in vitro. In vivo po, yun po yung i-inject directly yung isang gene therapy siya, i-inject diretso doon sa patient yung ano, yung gene. Kaya ano siya, in vivo. Next. Okay, so that is increased crop yield. Okay, sige. Next tayo. That is industrialized countries, toxic waste disposal to poorer countries. Isa to sa ano nila. Okay, ayan. Mayroon din dito sa atin. Next tayo. Ayan, there are 8 levels in hierarchy of blank. That is letter A, biology, taxonomy. Ano yon? That is, we have the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family. Diba? Genus and species, there are 8 all in all. Next. Main organ of respiration. That is lungs. Okay, letter C. Next, move on tayo. That is, ayan, sound travel fastest in, ayan. Next tayo. Okay, so biodiversity. Next tayo. That is walrus. Next tayo. Yeast is a type of fungus. Letter, ayan, letter B tayo. Next tayo. That is, ay wait lang. Letter C, sun. Okay, next tayo. That is plant. Next tayo. That is letter D. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. Okay, so that is order. Order. Next tayo. Virus. Kaya capsid. Capsid. Next. That is letter A, stomata or yes, guard cells or stomata. Next. That is letter D, logging. Okay, next. That is gravitational potential energy. Okay, ayan. Next tayo. That is sustainable development. Okay, letter B. Next. That is letter D, coal. Not sustainable, that means non-renewable. Okay, non-renewable. Next tayo. Mga ano to ha, mga latest previous question, let questions na kinuha ng mga major coaches para sa Gen Ed. That is secondary ecological succession. Next. That is industry. Industry. Okay, sige. Next tayo. That is genus. 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 Next. That is, ayan, letter A. Feeding connection. Feeding connection. That is food web. Okay, sige, sige. That is empirical study. Okay, next tayo. Question? Okay, so that is commensalism. Yung isa, tinutulungan ng isa, pero yung host hindi naha-harm. That is commensalism. Next. Loss of heredity, that is Gregor Mendel. Letter B, Gregor Mendel. Next tayo. Okay, so that's earthquakes. Earthquakes. Next tayo. That is letter C, fertilization combined. Ovum is combined with sperm. Ovum or egg. Next. That is habitat. Okay, habitat. Habitat. Next. Okay, sige. Conage, conage. Next. Citric acid cycle. Two waste products. Okay, water and carbon dioxide. Next. Modern taxonomy, Carol Linnaeus or Carolus Linnaeus and ancient taxonomy is ayan, Aristotle. Aristotle. Siya yung tutor ni Alexander the Great na inaas niya si Alexander kung pwedeng dalhan siya ng mga organisms or mga plants na galing sa place na na-conquer ni Alexander as payment dun sa tutorial niya. Okay, ayan, sige. Kaya siya yung ilang kingdoms yung sa kanya? Dalawang kingdoms lang, Kingdom Animalia and Kingdom Plantae. Okay, next. That is reciprocal. Next one. That is 14 din kasi atomic number is equal to the number of protons din. Okay, and number of electrons. Next tayo. Ay, tapos na pala, sorry. Ayan, ito yung science, ito lang yung naano nila. Wait lang, share ko lang yung isang next natin na ano mga ma'am sir. Ito naman, social science. Social science tayo, social science. Okay. First question. Okay, that is propaganda. Propaganda. Next tayo. Okay, so this is, ayan, habeas corpus. Sige, next tayo. That is, okay, ayan, reformists. Reformist. Next tayo. That is, ayan, letter B tayo. Letter B. Okay, sige. Next tayo. Okay, so next tayo, that's cabeceras. Town centers or cabeceras. Next tayo. That is, ayan, leaders. Meritocracy. Okay, next tayo. Gregoria de Jesus, Andres Bonifacio. Okay, sige. Next tayo. That is, bicameral means two. Bi means two. Next tayo. Sum total of society's customs, traditions, ethics, values, beliefs, and prevalent practices is, ayan, culture, culture, culture. Next tayo. Okay, so this is ocean, ocean, ocean. Okay, next tayo. Ayan, El Verdadero Decalogo, El Verdadero Decalogo. Next tayo. Ayan, this armed conflict. Armed conflict. Sige, next tayo. They are ITAS. Letter C, ITAS. Next tayo. That is freedom, freedom. Okay, next tayo. Tearing of Sidulas happened in? Ayan, the cry of Balintawak. Letter D. Next tayo. Laong-laan and Dimasalang were pen names by? Ayan, Jose Rizal. Okay, next tayo. Okay, so that is aristocracy. Few elite families. Okay, aristocracy. Next tayo. Philippine president during the Japanese occupation in the Philippines. And the only president of the Second Republic is, ayan, Jose P. Laurel. Okay, the only president of the Second Republic. Next tayo. That is extended family. Okay, sige. Extended family. Next tayo. That is kartilya ng katipunan. Okay, letter C. Next. That is grassland biomes. Grassland, grassland, grassland. Okay, ayan. Lowlands, grassland. Next. Hmm. Unlawful disappearance, unlawful disappearance. That is, ayan, writ of habeas corpus. Okay, next tayo. Okay, so that is letter B, Rodrigo Duterte. Okay, sige. Next tayo. Okay, so that is, ayan, wheel muna, nauna, Mesopotamian. Okay. Tapos, followed by the printing press and the steam engine and of course, the internet last na yan. Okay, ayan. Nauna yung wheel. In-invent yan ng mga Mesopotamian, mga Sumerians doon sa Mesopotamia. Next. That is reduction. Okay, that's letter C. Next tayo. That is, ayan, parens patriae. Next. That is leadership by example. Next tayo. That is, ayan, Mexico and the Philippines, galleon trade. Okay, galleon trade. Next tayo. We are an archipelago. Archipelago for 29, we are archipelago. Next. Okay, modern psychology, wound. Okay, sige. Next tayo. Half of the celestial sphere is called. Okay, that is hemisphere, semi, half. Next. Ayan, Diosdado Macapagal. Oh, mayroon din to sa atin kanina. The peace forged in Bohol between Legazpi and Sikatuna was also known as the Blood Compact. Okay, so that's Blood Compact. Next. That is sustainable development. Sustainable development. Next. Tax imposed on every citizen of the Philippines is also known as. Ayan. Sige, sige. Next. Okay, that is Apolinario Mabini. Apolinario Mabini. Next tayo. That is, ayan, eto siya, lumabas ito siya mga ma'am sir nung ano, October 2, 2022. Ayan, lumabas itong question na to. October 2022. Legislative check on the judiciary. Ayan. So that is impeachment of the Chief Justice. Ayan. Sige, sige. Next tayo. That is local government code. Okay. Next tayo. Ayan. Nauna ang steam engine, followed by electricity, then computer, then AI. Next tayo. Ay, ayan. Last na pala yun. Okay. So last, ano tayo? Last file. Wait lang po mga ma'am sir. Share ko lang po. Last file tayo. Ayan. O di ba mabilis na lang yung hapon kasi konti na lang yung file na natira. Ayan. Check nyo nga kung anong subject yan. Ayan. Check nyo nga kung anong subject yan. Anong subject? Okay. Ayan. Okay. Next, first question tayo. First question. Ayan. Antok na. Umpisahan na, teacher. Ayan. Mata-mata method. I-unlash na natin yan, yung mata-mata method na yan. Mentally obvious sa'yo. Ayan. Dyscalculia, ayan. Uy, math, agoy math. Okay, sige. Dito tayo. 'Di ba? Prime factors of 36, we have 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. Okay, ayan. Prime factors kasi dapat yung factors na yun wala nang ibang factors kundi 1 at saka ano lang. Okay, math, matulog sa Number 2. LCM of 5 and 9, multiply lang natin 'yan kasi wala namang common, 'di ba? Ayan, okay. 45, ayan, matulog. Sige, sige. Number 3, GCF of 35 and 49, GCF is common. Anong common factor ng 35 at saka 49? That is, ayan, ladder method tayo. Ayan, o 'di ba? Ayan, magso-solve na naman ako. Hala, ba't gano'n? Hindi makaano. Naka-white. Okay, that is, of course, that is 7. Next tayo. 3 erasers cost 30 pesos. And then how many erasers can cost the 50 pesos? There are, of course, 5. O, di ba? Ayan, that is 5. Next, tag 10 ang bawat isa. Di ba? Tag 10, 3 for 30. So, that tag 10 ang isa. Ayan. So, ang 50, 5. 12 men, 2 hours to build a house. So, how many hours will it take or 8 men to do the same job? This is, tawag nito, inverse variation. Inverse variation. Okay, sige. Ayan, 3 hours. Next, na pag maraming tao, konting oras lang nila gawin. Okay? Pag konting tao, mas mahaba yung gawa nila. Okay? Ayan. That's inverse variation. Next. Ayan. Pag ganito, ano lang natin. 27 tapos 90. Oh, ilan daw ang boys? There are 20 lang kasi 2 is to 7. 2, 7 is boys to girls. So, 2 ang boys. Okay? Ayan. 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 90 divided by 9, 10. 10 times 2, that is 20. Next. Absolute value of -9, that is always positive kasi ang absolute value that defines distance. Okay? Dapat walang negative na distance. So laging gawing positive. Kung positive o negative man yan, gawin mong positive. Ganun ang absolute value ha. Like absolute value of 10. So that's also 10. Absolute value of -7. That is also 7. All lahat positive ha. Next. Ayan. How much interest would be paid in the bank of if LOD borrowed 50,000 for 3 years at 15,000 per annual interest? So that means 0.15 times 3, that is 0.45 times 50,000. Okay, ayan. So that is 22,000 ang interest. Okay, pag tinanong naman kayo ng total, what if positive? Positive pa din, sir. A teacher. Ayan. Okay, example ha, wait lang. Ano yung ano? Ayan, eto yon. Nasaan na yun? Balik tayo doon. Wait lang. Yan, absolute value. Lahat ng negative numbers, halimbawa 11, absolute value nan, that is 11. Or kung positive 17, absolute value of positive 17, 17 pa rin. Lahat yan dito dapat positive, ha? Ayan. Okay, so ito is 22,500. Okay, sige. Yes po. Pag math mga ma'am sir, if you have the hard time doing the calculation, pero mas maganda kasi yung ano, yung sa rationalization, anuhin niyo yung mga basic. Pero pag mga ganito, yung sa mga final coaching na, ang ginagamit niyan mga ano po, usually mga latest let questions. So mas magandang i-memorize kasi may malaking posibilidad na babalik yun sa next na let. Ganun po. Okay, so that's 240. Okay, ayan. Markup is 20%. 20% of ano, 1,200 is for 240. Okay, yan yung profit markup. Next. Okay, so ano naman? Ito naman ang selling price niya. Kung may 240 na markup, i-add lang natin. So 1,440, di ba? So that is here. Okay, ayan. Next. Okay, find natin yung 30% ang discount. So 30%. Hmm. Okay, so i-check ko natin 'to ha. Ganito lang yung gagawin natin. Naano ako kasi math kasi. Ayan, discount daw. Ganito yung gagawin natin mga ma'am, sir. Basta pag ganito, halimbawa, ibahin nila yung data, at least you know how to do them. Okay? Ayan, 15,000 daw yung ano, sold regularly. Okay? Tapos 30% discount. So, that is 15,000. Ayan, times 30% or 30 over 100. Okay? 'Di ba? 30%. Tapos yung zero na yan, cancel natin 'to, 'di ba? So maging 310. Tapos yung isang zero pa, kuha tayo dito. O 'di ba? Ang natira na lang diyan is 1,500 times 3 na lang ang natira, 'di ba? So that's 4,500. Nakuha nyo? Ganun lang po ang pag-ano natin, hindi na tayo mag-decimal-decimal kasi pag nag-decimal kayo, mabawasan yung oras nyo, kailangan nyo makasave. Ayan, mas maganda yung fractions. Kasi walang decimal, mas mabilis mag-cancel-cancel. Lalo na, zero-zero lang lahat yung ano, okay? Ayan. Oh yeah, pwede din, 10% times 3. Pwede din natin gawin, 10% times 3. Next. That is, ayan, 300 kasi 10% of 3,000 is 300. 10% yung commission niya. Next. Okay, so that is here, 2x minus 5. Next. Memorize lang pag ganun, mahaba. O, multiply natin to. Anong mangyayari? FOIL method, FOIL method, FOIL method, x times x, we have x squared, and then x times negative 3, negative 3x, and then 2 and x, we have positive 2x, and then 2 and negative 3, we have negative 6. Okay, ayan. Ito, combine natin yan. Unlike signs, x squared minus 1x or minus x na lang minus 6. Okay, ayan. So, ito siya. Ayan. Sige, next. Yellow balls. Okay, so sige nga. Bakit 1/4 yung sagot natin? Okay, so 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo ang probability laging sa baba total. Tapos ang possible ano outcome sa taas. Okay? This is yellow balls daw. So ang total natin is 15 plus 5, we have 20, 'di ba? Tapos yellow balls, ilang bang yellow? 5. 5 over 20. By 5, divide natin ng 5. Divide natin ng 5 para ma-simplify natin. So that is 1 over 4, which is letter A. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo. What is the probability that the sun sets on the east? Ayan, sige nga. That is 0. Kasi, hindi po nagse-set yung sun, wala po sa buong history siguro wala pang ano, ayan, wala pang, sun na set sa east. Nagre-rise sa east, nagse-set sa west, okay? Ayan, 100% kung mag-set siya sa west, okay? Ayan, so gano'n siya. In a deck of cards, what is the probability of getting a king? Ilan ba yung king? In a deck of cards, ilan ba yon? In a deck of cards, we have, ayan, 52 ang total. Tapos ilang mayroon tayo sa king? There are 4, okay? Ayan, since andyan na yung ano, choices yung ano natin, 4 over 52 na agad, okay? Ayan. O, 'di ba? Apat na kings out of 52. Next. 30% chance that it will rain today. So find out that it will not. So that is 30%, or the other one is 70%. It will not, or 0.7. Okay? Or 7 over 10. Okay? Ayan. Minus lang tayo mga ma'am sir. 1 or 100% po yung probability na perfect. Okay, next. 180. Ayan. Anong tawag natin dito? Sir, paano di alam magbaraha? Ako din po, di po alam marunong magbaraha pero alam ko yung mga ano, mga flower. Ano ang tawag diyan? Pero lagi akong nananalo sa tong its. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi ko alam magbaraha pero nananalo ako sa tong its lagi. Okay, 180 degrees. Ayan. 180 degrees supplementary. Tap next tayo. Eight-sided polygon. Eight-sided polygon. Ayan. Paano ba natin 'yun anuhin? Okay, so ganito lang 'yun mga ma'am sir ha. Of course, nag-umpisa tayo sa triangle 3, 'di ba? Triangle 3. Ayan. Ayan, triangle 3, 'di ba? 3 is 3. Tatlo. Ayan. Quadrilateral naman. Quadrilateral, quad means ano, tawag nito, quad is 4, okay? Tapos penta, 'yan, pentagon 5, tapos hexa, then hepta. Hepta or septa, okay? Ayan. And then octa. Ayan, 'di ba? Eto September and then October. Pero sa September 9 siya, pero ang sa actual is 7. Bakit? Ayan, tingnan natin. And then November nona, nona tapos Deka December, 'di ba? Ayan, 10 po ito. Ito naman is 11. Pero sa ano natin, sa calendar, ayan, isang trivia. Sa calendar natin, ang Septa 9 or September 9. Tapos this is 7 ha. Pero ang September, bakit naging ano, September naging 9, tapos October naging 10. November naging tawag nito 11, saka December naging 12. Kasi we added the 2 months which is the July and August. Ayan. This was added by Pope Gregory the Third nung ginawa niya yung Gregorian calendar na yan. Okay? Ayan, July and August in honor to Julius Caesar and Augustus Caesar of the Roman Empires. Okay? Kaya nausog siya, instead na yung septa, ayan, yung septa na month or September na month, dapat pang pitong buwan yan siya noon kasi we only have 10-month calendar. Naging ano siya, pang siyam na siya. Okay? Ayan. Sige. Ayan. Ganun lang. Minus 2 lang tayo sa months. Yun na yun. December is 12 minus 2, that's 10 sides. Okay? Nona, November 11, that is minus 2, 9 sides. Okay, ganun. Si Octa, October 10 minus 2, that's 8-sided. Okay, ayan. Next. Interior angles of a pentagon. Okay, so ang ano lang natin dito mga ma'am sir, ayan, that's 540 kasi tandaan natin yung mga formula nito mga ma'am sir. May formula po tayo dito, that is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, ayan, ano yung n? That is the number of sides. Pentagon has 5 numbers, di ba? Ayan, so 5 minus 2 times 180. Okay, so this is 3 times 180 and that gives us 540. Okay? Nakuha nyo? Tandaan nyo ito mga ma'am sir ha. Ito. Yan yung pagkuha ng total number of angle measure sa buong polygon. Okay, ayan. Kung six-sided siya, so of course that is, kung six-sided, 6 minus 2 times 180. Okay, ayan. So 180, that's 4 times 180. And this gives us 720 naman. Okay, 720 pag hexagon. O, diba? Ayan. Hindi po. Hindi po para sa math major. Para po ito sa mga Gen Ed po. General education po. Iba po ang math major mga ma'am sir. Sobrang higher na po yung nila. Okay, so which of the following does not belong in the group? Scalene, acute, isosceles, or equilateral? Okay, so saan daw dyan mga ma'am sir? Okay, that is, ayan, acute. Okay, isosceles kasi, ayan. Yung escaline, isosceles, and equilateral, they are talking with the sides. Okay, di ba? Ayan, sides po to. Ito, yung acute, we are talking with the angle measure. Okay, ayan, angle measures po. Sige. Next tayo. Which of the following is true? All trapezoids are kite? Not all, of course. All rhombus are square, or all squares are rectangles, or all parallelograms are rectangles. Okay, so all squares are rectangles. Okay, but not all rectangles are squares. Next, which of the following has the largest value in terms of its area? Asan daw yung mas malaki? Pag i-compute natin yung area, saan daw ang mas malaki? Okay, area pag ang square may side na 10, s squared. So that is 10 squared, that is equal to 100 si letter A. Letter B naman, area is length times width. Okay, so this is length times width. This is 10 times 9. That is equal to 90 naman. Okay, ayan. 10. Ito naman, a triangle with the base of 10 and then height of 10. So we have, area of a triangle is 1/2 base height. Okay, ayan. So this is 1/2 times 10 times 10. That is equal to 1/2 of 150 lang. Okay, so alin dyan ang sagot? That is letter A. Mas malaki siya, di ba? Okay, sige. Next tayo. Nag-rationalize. Yeah. Which of the following has the smallest perimeter naman? When you say perimeter, mga ma'am sir, pag sinabing perimeter, mga ma'am sir, ayan, total ng sides. Total measure ng sides. Lahat po ng polygon. Okay, total measure ng sides. Okay, kung triangle, yung 3 sides na yun, i-add ninyo. Okay, ayan. So, a square with a side of 10. So, ilang sides ba ang square? There are 4. 4 times 10? Ayan. So, this is 40. Ito naman, rectangle with the length of 10 and the width of 9. So, this is 2 length plus 2 width. Ang di ba? Ang tawag nito, rectangle. So, 2 times 10 plus 2 times 9. Okay? So, this is 20 plus 18. That is 38. Okay? Ayan. So, ito naman, pag i-add natin to triangle, add lang natin to lahat. 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is equal to 30. Okay? Ayan. Yan po. Ang tawag dito, smallest perimeter is triangle, letter C. Okay? Ayan. Next. What is the surface of surface area? Ayan. So that is 62 mga ma'am. Sorry, 62, 62. What is the surface of the acrylic rectangular box if the length 5, 3, and wait lang ha. Okay, so ganito kasi yan mga ma'am sir. Rectangular box, pag sinabi nating rectangular box, ilang sides yun? Ilang faces yun? There are 2. Okay, so ganito po yung itsura niya. Ayan. So ito yung rectangular box natin. Okay, ayan. Ayan, sorry, I don't know how to draw. Okay. So there are how many faces? There are 6. Okay. So ito siya. There are 3, 2, at saka 5. Okay. So ito siya, dalawang surface po yan. So surface area po dapat ang dito, ang question. So 5 times 2, length times width, 5 times 2, this is 10. So dalawang 10 po tayo dito, di ba? Dalawa yan. Ito naman, 2 at saka 3, itong surface na to, dalawa po sila. 3 times 2, we have 6. So this is also 6. And then itong sa taas, sa baba naman, ito at saka ito, 3. Okay, ayan. 3 times 5, that is 15. Ito naman, 15. Add lang natin yan lahat-lahat mga ma'am sir. 2 times 15. Ayan. Tapos 2 times 6. Tapos 2 times 10. Okay, ayan. So this one is 30. This is 12. This is 20. Okay, ayan. So that's why 62. Okay, next tayo. Surface area naman mga ma'am sir. So ilan yun? Yung Rubik's Cube, cube po siya. Kaya nga siya cube, that means lahat ng sides, lahat equal. Okay? Kung 5 cm yun mga ma'am sir, ito yung cube. Ayan. Ayan. So ito yung cube. Ayan. So 5 yung ano niya, lahat yung sides niya equal. Okay? So that means we can have 6 square. Okay? 6 na square. So 6 na s squared or area ng square. So 6 times 5 squared. So we have 6 times 25 or 150. Okay? Ayan. So ang surface area ng cube, lahat ng surface niya, ang area is 150, which is letter B. Next, 28. Ayan. So this one naman, okay, 400 po, 400, 400. Di ko lang sure ha sa surface area ng sphere. I'm not sure with the area kasi this is Coach Grace questions. Ayan. Di ko kasi na-check yung area ng sphere or ball or spherical. Ayan, ito naman quadrant mga ma'am sir. Pag sinabi natin quadrant, ito siya, first quadrant po ito, second quadrant, third quadrant, and then this is fourth quadrant. Ito positive. This is our x, this is our y, this is positive y. XY, this is our x, this is y. Saan ba positive ang x? Saan positive ang y? So that is quadrant 1. Okay, nakuha nyo? Ayan, yan po yung quadrant natin, mga quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4, ganun. Tapos yung mga signs, tandaan natin yan ha. So that's quadrant 1. Okay. Pag ang horizontal mga ma'am sir, ang slope niya horizontal. That means nakaganito. Okay? Ayan, yan yung line natin. Okay? So, ano yung slope niya? When I say slope, yung slantness niya, yung slant niya, gaano ba kaano? Or gradient. Anong dyan? Anong slope ng horizontal? That is 0. 0 kasi plain lang siya. Wala siyang slope. Hindi siya nakaslant. Okay? Wala siyang slantness or gradient. So, that's 0. Pag vertical naman mga ma'am sir, eto ha, ito 0. Pero pag vertical mga ma'am sir, pag ganyan, that is undefined. Okay? Tandaan natin yan. Pag vertical, ang slope niya undefined. Pag plane naman or horizontal, ang slope niya 0. Tandaan po natin yan ha. Next tayo. Okay. So to get for the slope, we have m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? So ito lang. Ito yung 1 natin. Ito yung 2. And this is x1, y1, and then x2, y2. Ganun lang. Iano lang natin yan mga ma'am sir. So we have, ayan, y2 which is 6 minus 1 over, ayan, 5 minus 4. Okay, so this one is 5 over 1 or that is 5. Diba? Yan yung slope niya. Ayan, so that is 5. Yan yung formula ng slope. Next tayo. Eto naman mga ma'am sir, pag nakaganito yung form niya, y is equal to mx plus b, eto yung slope kaagad natin. So ano yung slope natin dito? Sige, gusto ko makuha yung nyo. Ang m dyan is our slope. So ano yung slope natin dito? Sige nga, anong sagot natin? Y is equal to mx plus b. M is our slope. So anong slope natin dyan? Okay, very good. That is 3. Ito yung slope natin. Y is equal to mx plus b. Mx plus b. Ito yung slope natin, ha? Ayan. So, 3 ang m natin. So, our slope is 3. Next tayo. Ayan, so ang tamang sagot natin dito, eto siya, okay? So paano ba natin yan kunin? Okay, paano natin kunin? Okay, so y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, so dito tayo. Mayroon tayong x, mayroon tayong y, mayroon tayong m. Okay, so we can get for b. So y is equal to, wait. Y is 1, sorry. Substitute lang natin, is equal to m, which is 3, times 1 plus b. Okay, ayan. So 1 is equal to 3 plus b. Sa transform natin yan, magiging 1 is minus 3 is equal to b, or b is equal to negative 2. So, ang ano natin ngayon, substitute lang natin to, y is equal to mx plus b. Dito po, balik tayo. So, y is equal to m. Our m is 3. So, 3 x. And then, our b is minus 2. Ayan. So, that's why letter C tayo. Nakuha? Kunin muna natin yung b. Tapos, pag nakuha yung b, substitute na lang natin sa original. Okay, next. What is the longest side of the triangle? That is, ang tawag natin dyan, hypotenuse. Okay? Hypotenuse. Okay, longest side. Ito yon. Ito yung triangle natin. Pen mo, right triangle to. Ito yung longest side. Okay, hypotenuse. Next. What is the longest chord of the circle? Ano yung chord? Ano ba yung chord, teacher? Okay, yung chord, mga ma'am, sir. Ito yung center. Ito yung radius. Ito yung diameter. Ito naman ang chord. Okay, ayan. Yung chord, yung chord, eto siya, example. Okay, pero ang longest chord natin is what we call diameter kasi chord means that connects the circles into 2 points. Okay, so diameter also connects the circle in 2 points. Diba? Ito din yon, which passes through the center. Okay, so that is diameter. Okay, ayan. Last natin yan. Ayan, run through natin. Ito yung run through format. Okay? Ayan, sige po mga ma'am sir. God bless po sa ating lahat. And mamayang 6 to 10 p.m. po si Coach Weng naman. Ira-run through na yung Prof. Ed and Gen Ed niya rin. Okay? Ayan, laban po tayo mga ma'am sir. And see you tomorrow for our first day of Ultimate Final Coaching. Ayan, ready na ba lahat? Ayan, ready na ba ano? Dapat naka-prepare na kayo ng ano, maraming kape at saka maraming ano, alaksan, paracetamol, ano pa ba? Ayan, dapat naka-ready na lahat. O 'di ba? Tapos yung ano, 3 electric fan, ayan. Tapos yung ilang box ng coffee dapat nakahanda na diyan. Pati yung takori niyo at saka thermos nakahanda niyo diyan sa gilid niyo. Para diyan na lang kayo mag-iinit ng tubig 'pag naubos yung tubig sa ano. Ayan, laban tayo mga ma'ams. God bless everyone. See you ayan. See you sa ano, sa schedule ko would be on like mga 18 or 19 na yata, September 19. Ayan. Acidic na po. Ayan. During ano, hindi na makapag-take kasi sobrang acidic, pinalabas na. Dinala sa clinic. Ay, wag naman gano'n. Palpitate na ako, coach, sa puro kape na. Ayan, excited na ako, coach. Ayan, laban tayo. May work po. Ayan. Okay lang, Ma'am Sheng, kasi ano naman po recorded, kaya pwede balikan. Sale ang Starbucks, mambubudol na 150, 20 na drink nila po. Ayan, ilang 20 size ba yan, Ma'am Eliza? Ayan, Eliza. Okay, sige. God bless you. See you. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of the day. And good luck mga ma'am, sir. Ayan. Good luck po. Good luck.